Hello traders, welcome to my channel, and I want to explain and demo today what is the compound trading and how to trade compounding trades. What is the power of compounding trades? I traded, but I missed to record my trades, and after I lost trade, I want to decide to explain to my trades, and after that I want to just start the recording and see my compound trades. 22 $4,120 in just 9 trades. This is the power of compounding trades. Let's see my trades and all, and this is my last trade recorded, and remaining 8 trades I just want to explain how I trade and how will I place that on all trades. And let's check it in my video, in this video. And if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel too. Thank you guys. Let's see my trades. Okay, let's start. Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something very excitedly. I'm showing compounding. What is the power of the compounding? Power of compounding is double, triple your amount at few trades. Okay, I'll show you only 9 trades here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trades. 9 trades I won almost $2,000, $22,000 in only 9 trades. Just see how compounding is powerful. Now my first trade is $20, and $20 I place I won 17.40 something, 87%. Okay, if my first trade is I put in down trade here, and at resistance level I found the resistance. I saw the resistance, and I place a put here. I won this, and my second trade is continue. Again I place a put, continuation with the other candle. It's also won. And my third trade also, after a long this second one, and continue with the after powerful candle I continue with put again, and this is the one in trade, and third trade also I won, and continue with my fourth trade. After a long candle, the market came to support level. Here is a very strong support level. This total area is a buyer's area. That's why I place a call here. This is also I won, and after call, this is no buyers or strong buyers here, and after a strong selling market, after there's some small buyers here, lesser buyers entered here, and again I place a put here, $2,209, and I won this also, and again I compounded. And here, after a small selling, a retracement is completed. Again the market trend is continued to uptrend, and that's why I place my margin of safety. Market went down, and I place a lower here, call here, and after this I won this trade also. Again continue with buyers. I won this also, $680 plus trade, and again, and after a market hitting the trend line, see here is the trend line. I draw a trend line here, and after hitting a trend line I place a put here, and huge win also here also. And after sell order, I waited this candle market to correct it, and market went down, and again touched the trend line, and again market went up, and I placed call here after this candle, and this one also I won. and totally I placed 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trades, only 9 trades, $20 to almost $2,000 I won in this session. Okay, this is the trading history. Okay, this is the trading history after a lot of these and all yesterday trades. Not this is only today I lost this trade. This and all other yesterday's. This only now. First trade is lost and again continuity. This and all continue. Though there is no editing and all. It's purely candlestick psychology and candlestick reading. Candlestick psychology and candlestick reading only. Okay, if you want to learn candlestick psychology and candlestick reading and all, please join my classes. I'll teach you properly in Telugu and English. Please join my classes and learn and trade. Okay, Jai Hind.